Audi TT Mk1, viewing and buying a 3.2 V6.
Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel where I'm currently halfway to Dorset. I'm on my way down to look at an Audi TT 3.2 V6 that I'm looking to purchase. The guy's called Stephen and I will be there shortly to take a look, so stay tuned.
I did not really want to put the 250 extra miles on the silver TT as that's about to hit 80,000, so I took the Mondeo down to Blandford for the viewing. But before I get there, let me give you a bit of background on how and why this viewing came about. For those of you that are regular viewers to the channel, you will know that I am currently looking for a project Audi TT car, one that I can work on once I reach my milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Now that is something I never thought I'd reach, but that goal is just around the corner, or it may even have happened by the time this video is posted. So a massive thank you for the great support you all give me and the fantastic comments you all leave. I read and value them all, and I try to respond to every single comment. Anyway, back to the video on this particular car. When I posted in a recent video that I was looking for perhaps a 3.2 or a beaten up project car to work on, I was thinking one or the other. Now the green Audi is still stuck on the farm that I went to view last weekend. If you did not see that poorly car, please do click on the link above to check out that car and let me know if you think I should take that project on. I hope to arrange to have that car collected very soon. What I was not considering was possibly taking on both. I wanted a coupe really. Even when I bought the silver one, I really wanted a hardtop. So adding the green 180 soft top does not make an awful lot of sense other than giving me great content for a restoration video. So when one of my subscribers, Stephen, contacted me a week ago last Friday with a potential 3.2 for sale, I have to say it did spark my interest. After a few phone calls and text detailing the extensive service history of this car, I decided it would make sense to make a trip to Dorset for reviewing. The story behind this particular 3.2 I will leave for the next video I make about it. But the car was sensibly priced enough for me to get down there to take a look. So let's have a look at what I found. So I'm here in Dorset to look at this 3.2. Looks in nice condition in blue, although they do say never buy a car in the rain. 3.2 identifying features obviously are the front louvers in the bumper. Obviously the bigger wheels, although they're not standard. And the much larger spoiler on the rear. See, it's the 3.2. Just speaking to the guy Steve, he's told me a bit about the history, which I will fill you in on when I get back, if I decide to buy. I think it looks a nice car, interior wise. Let's have a look inside. The leather looks lovely condition actually. I've seen a few with some really poorly looking insides, but this has got a really good one. It's got the Audi concert stereo, the Bose system, automatic, lovely condition, love it, love it. Two people you get in the back too. Audi cup holder, which everyone loves the Audi cup holder. Let's have a look if the let's see if the, there we go, let's open the boot. Much bigger boot than I'm used to with the convertible. Bit of might need a bit of a sort out there. I don't know if that's actually available, but that's a damage to the rear panel, so that would have to be done, I think. Shame about that bit. I think that'd have to be some sort of sticking or dressing to sort that out. All good though. 54 plate. Actung. A few little aftermarket bits, I think they'd have to go. Not sure if that's a bit of polish there. That's good. Little ding I noticed in the door, which will probably get knocked out too. The important bit is we can do that. Pull the magic lever. Under the bonnet, there it is. Magnificent even V6 3.2. Needs a good clean under here, as we can see. A lot of pipe work to look at. It has been regularly serviced from what I understand. Yep,
But yeah, it's a bit clipped down there, but yeah. So all in all, I'm going to go for a quick spin now. Hopefully Steve's going to take me out, take it around the block, have a look at what it's like, and yeah, make a decision.
Spent 10 hours, me and my son.
Did you?
Because it had just been sat on somebody's, on Darren's mum's drive, and it was full of leaves. There was mould all around the outside. So we literally, yeah, snow foamed it twice. Went round with toothbrushes and yeah. And it, to be fair, inside wasn't much worse than what you can see now.
Yeah.
It's a lovely car.
Yeah, it is. There are lovely cars.
Yeah.
I mean, fabulous to drive, responsive, nippy.
Yeah, like I said, you have
classics.
to drive it as well. It's not like
Absolutely.
a modern car like what you've got now.
No, it's got to be driven.
Yeah, where it does everything for you.
Yeah. Drives nice. Yeah, it sounds good. And
do you want it back over there, or do you want it over
let's
here?
let you out, Paul.
Don't you want to get out?
Is that like it's got so both sides? There you go.
Yeah, it's weird.
Now it's in the typical. Now it's come back. It's all sunny and dry.
Yeah.
It's unusual. It's got red calipers on the front, but not on the back. Let's notice as well. I don't know if that is standard or not. As you'd expect, in the back, you've got the battery in the boot. Looks nice and clean. So it's just this bit here that's letting it down really. There's a bit on the other side as well. Something's obviously caught in the back. But yeah, 3.2 battery in the boot. No sign of any accident damage or welding in the wheel well, from what I can see. All looks good. Yeah. Struts it nice and strong. That's view. Wheels need a bit of a refurb from what I can see. So yeah, so non-standard bits, and literally just badges I think, which will go. And here, and in the back there, that'll need to come off. And there. So after a very brief moment of reflection and the thought of returning home empty-handed, Stephen and I agreed a price and we both walked away happy. Stephen knows that it's going to a good home and I'm going to take good care of it. And I know I have a really nice, really quick and hopefully one day a highly collectible car. As mentioned, I am going to go over the car in more detail in the next video, but I am very interested to know your thoughts on the car. Have I bought a good one? It was below the typical prices that I've seen on eBay for such a car with such miles, but what should I be looking for? What should I think about doing first to ensure it's kept in tip-top shape? Leave me a comment below to let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Are you one of my 1,000 subscribers? If so, thank you very much. I'm glad that you're enjoying my TT maintenance videos and my TT journeys. There are lots more videos to come and a new series called TT Meets TT, which I filmed for the first time when I was down in Dorset with another subscriber. If you are not yet a subscriber, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm sure you will find my back catalogue helpful and the new content interesting. Once again, thanks for watching as always and see you soon. Take care.